official YouTube channel, and here is the exclusive live session of JEE Main 2023 exam analysis. And in this live session, we are going to discuss the overall paper of JEE Main of 25th January, both Shift 1 and Shift 2 together. And we have also collected a lot of memory-based questions from students, and we have added the PDF of memory-based questions through the link available in video description. So you can click on the link available in video description to download the memory based questions, and we have even added the solutions of these memory based questions. So these will be helpful for those candidates who are going to appear for the exam on 29th, 30, 31 and February 1st. So now that there is a gap of 3 days technically, so whoever is going to appear for exam in the upcoming days can use these 24th and 25th January solutions to do your last minute revision accordingly. And also, if you have any queries regarding JEE Main exam, you can keep asking through the chat section, and we will clarify all your queries regarding JEE Main. So let's start with the analysis. So we will start with first shift one, like how the paper was in shift one. So in shift one, the difficulty level was moderate, and physics was easier compared to the previous day's exam, and chemistry was easy to moderate, and mathematics was again moderate to difficult. And the secondary part, the shift to difficulty level. So in the shift 2, the paper was easy to moderate. It was slightly on easier side than the shift 1 exam, and the physics was again easy to moderate. Chemistry was easy, and the surprising part is few students expressed that the mathematics section was easy. So compared to day 1, on day 2, there were mixed reactions on mathematics. So as of now, currently we cannot exactly confirm that mathematics was easy in shift 2. This is just based on first reactions received from 4 to 5 students, because there were also mixed reactions where few students opined that mathematics was lengthy and tough also. So mathematics is a bit contradictory due to mixed reactions, but physics and chemistry were doable in shift 2 as well. And some of the major highlights of shift 2 analysis include maths was easier compared to previous shifts. Compared to previous shift, day 2 shift 2 mathematics was not very time consuming. So few students said that maths was not time consuming this time, surprisingly, and it was not lengthy. Mathematics section was totally formula based, which can be solved. So if you are very good with formulas, you can easily solve the mathematics paper of shift 2. So there were no questions from statistics again in the mathematics section. So yesterday also in the shift 1 or shift 2, there were no questions from statistics again. As per four students, they didn't find any questions from statistics. Sorry. And the mathematics section had a good amount of questions from mathematical reasoning. So the mathematical reasoning section had a good amount of questions, and apart from mathematical reasoning, there were also questions from vectors, coordinate geometry, algebra, integration, and much more. And the physics section had mixed reactions, and whereas it can be termed as easy to moderate. And most students expressed that the physics question was formula based, again, which was again easy to crack. And we already discussed the shift 1 major highlights in the morning session, and we are just revising them again. Physics was comparatively easier than maths and chemistry in shift 1, and there were questions from mathematics. There were questions from vectors, 3D geometry, calculus and integration. And mathematics section had more questions from 11th syllabus compared to 12th. So that is one more important point to add. And some of the other major highlights of 25th January shift 2 analysis include, for chemistry also, we got positive response as students claimed that the paper was easy and doable. In chemistry, there were questions from biomolecules, ketones, chemical kinetics, and more. And in chemistry, there were more questions from inorganic chemistry. If you see the shift one, in shift one, there were more questions from organic chemistry, but in shift 2 there were more questions from inorganic chemistry. So this usually changes. So Hanish Tadepalli is asking, what about chemistry? Chemistry was easy compared to chemistry was always easy and it remained easier, but compared to shift 1, shift 2 chemistry part was easier. In shift 1 it was a bit moderate. So overall, the question paper was easy to moderate, and NCR and the chemistry questions from direct were direct from NCRT. In the morning session, there were not many direct questions from NCRT, only a few. But in shift two, again, NCRT had maximum weightage when it comes to chemistry part, and there are chances that cutoff for day two and shift two might go up. There are chances because they were different difficulty levels. There were varied difficulty levels across the shifts, because on day one it was moderate to difficult, and again it was moderate in the shift two, and again it was again moderate to in today's shift one, and again it's again easy to moderate in today's shift two. So it was like a bit mixed difficulty level. But anyways, the NTA is adopting normalization process, and it makes sure that every student gets fair chance, and they won't get affected due to the varied difficulty level. Yuvan Sai is asking about mathematics in shift 2. So as per the feedback we received, it was surprising. Students said that mathematics was easier than yesterday's exam, basically, and the mathematics section was not too lengthy. Whoever gave us the response, they were saying that mathematics was not too lengthy. Again, it's a mixed reaction, but we got a positive response on mathematics than a negative feedback. And then you can go through some of the important topics from the mathematics section. Whoever is going to appear for exam in the upcoming days, integral calculus is one of the most top weightage section of mathematics, and vector 3D is once again a scoring topic, and permutation is also one of the top chapters with weightage in mathematics. So these are some of the chapters, and then you can expect a good number of questions from differential calculus also. In yesterday's exam, there were almost 13% questions from differential calculus, and binomial theorem had almost 7% question. So apart from this, we also added memory based questions. Apart from whatever PDFs that were released by coaching institutes, we also collected few questions from students, and we have added a memory based questions PDF on our website. Currently, we have a PDF for shift 1, and shift 2 questions will be added shortly through the link available in video description. So these are the memory based questions that appeared in the shift 1 of JEE Main 25th January exam, and you can get this PDF through the link available in video description, and you can also join our Telegram group to stay updated with the latest happenings of JEE Main 2023. We will meet again on 28th Saturday, wherein the paper 2 exam is going to be conducted, and we are going to do an exclusive live analysis of paper 2, that is B arc and B planning, and we are also going to discuss a lot of memory based questions also. After the exam, we are going to discuss a lot of memory based questions for paper 2 exam. So stay tuned to CollegeDekho for more updates on JEE Main 2023. Do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.